Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is Thursday, 17th March 2022. Let's all look at today's gold prices in Saudi Arabia. But before that, I would like you to request you to please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time. Starting with the 1 gram price of the 24 karat gold without VAT is 234.10 and with VAT is 269.22. For 22 carats without VAT price is 214.90 and with VAT price is 247.14. For 21 carats the without VAT price is 204.84 and with VAT price is 235.57. For 18 carats without VAT is 175.57 and with VAT is 201.91. For 14 carats the without VAT price is 136.95 and with VAT is 157.49. For 10 carats gold without VAT price is 97.62 and with VAT is 112.26. For 6 carat gold without VAT price is 58.52 and with VAT is 67.30. If you find this information useful, please like this video. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.